It's early out here, folks, but that's what it takes to chow down with some of the biggest barbecue fanatics in all of Texas. Howdy, y'all. I'm Chet Garner, the Daytripper, back on the road with my friends at Texas Monthly and Coca-Cola to take a pilgrimage of sorts to celebrate the 20th birthday of what is perhaps the holy grail of Texas barbecue, Snow's, right here in Lexington. They are only open on Saturday, but as you will soon see, the people in the front of this line, well, they got here yesterday. Let's go meet them. So I understand it's your 20th birthday, 20 years old.
Yes, plus some. But as far as Snow's Barbecue, yep, we're 20 years old today.
So when you and Carrie and the team opened Snow's, did you think it'd be 20 years in?
Lord, no.
Y'all been up in line a while. Y'all might need some caffeine. All right, there you go. Ha! Ha! Pull! What the heck, man? How long have you been out here?
I got here right at midnight.
So what motivated you to want to, basically spend an entire day waiting in line?
I mean, I hear this is the best barbecue in Texas, and I have to try the best.
Second in line. What time did you get here?
We got here at 12:30.
Now, were you surprised that wasn't the front of the line?
Like, we got here and we were like, oh, don't worry, there ain't nobody gonna be here. And then we saw him and we were just like, bro, come on. Like, there's no way.
This is crazy. I gotta see where these people are from. All right, where are you from?
Fort Worth.
Austin.
Canton, Ohio. New Jersey.
New Zealand.
The Kiwis are even here to get barbecue.
From the Netherlands. Mexico.
Colombia.
This is just getting ridiculous now. Where are you from?
Virginia.
Virginia, look at this shirt. Oh, the life of an international celebrity's got to be hard.
It is. It is.
Did you ever think that barbecue would set you up for something like this?
No, sir. When I started back in 1966, I never realized barbecue would blow into this big occupation.
Yeah.
Cooking or whatever you might want to call it. I just never expected it. I still give praise to the gentleman that hired me for the first day to work. He didn't know it either, but he opened the door for me.
All right, my friend, I understand you're sort of famous in Texas as well. So someone told me that you were the first man to finish the Texas Monthly Barbecue Passport.
November 4th through December 12th.
So just a little over a month. Did you consult like your cardiologist before you did that or anything?
I think I gained about 8 real pounds,
What does it mean to you when you look out in that line and there's someone from Germany and Colombia and the Netherlands? How do you take that in?
I mean, that's just, again, that's when it's so personally rewarding. I mean, I counted the register a few weeks back, and it was 23 different states and 13 countries on a Saturday, and that's not being smart, but that's probably somewhat of an average. And again, usually the highlight is, yes, great barbecue, but the hospitality they receive from the time they got in line at 1 or 2 a.m. till the time they get their food at, 8 or 9 a.m. It's very few people leave here, again, unhappy. I mean, we make it a fun day.
Yes! So you make the pilgrimage to the holy site, and this is what you see. We've got ribs, brisket, sausage, chicken, and then what some consider the best bite in Texas barbecue, Miss Tootsie's pork steak right there. And I do believe that's exactly where I'm gonna start. Oh gosh, that's good. You take a bite and you realize why this little place in Lexington has become an international destination for barbecue. I think she's even more famous than the barbecue. This is why you come here. You come to eat, but you also come to stand in the presence of living legends. Right there, man. Well, it's definitely been a theme of this series that Texas barbecue is about way more than just the food. It's about the fellowship. It's about the people. It's about the love we have for supporting small businesses and hardworking Texans like Miss Tootsie, Carrie, the entire team, who turn out some of the best barbecue in the Lone Star State. Almost like they've been perfecting it for 20 years. So there's a lot more road to travel, a lot more barbecue to eat. Stick with us at Texas Monthly and our friends at Coca-Cola as we pilgrimage all over the holy land of barbecue, AKA Texas. See y'all on the road.